Okay, wo bejo me there. Abra onye president bi onye ko gina wo na woto aba no olusi. Na abra ono Akufo-Addo olusi no. President Akufo ke trend there. Akufo-Addo, oyeda me be your president first. Me your president we are. Na wo Akufo-Addo ebeba. In the Akufo-Addo gina damasam no do. No catch Alanchera manten there. Oyeda mas me be your president first. Name if you are awo Alan nebeba. Na Akufo-Addo be your president. Or be ye ya. Wama Alan kwanma wamba. Now all the establishment and penifuna or the bedi baumia nechi. The honor neighbor mawaba. Now ma baumia be. Na engine catch him there. So all share. Ma what could do warrior moida warrior na. Only the MPP walk opposition first. Oboko biom. Now I sound so biom. But on no angel now. Osha NPP do no on now Emma NPP on opposition into 2026 31st January. Baumia will not lead. Listen to me. Baumia will not lead the New Patriotic Party. He can't lead. He can't win. If they can make a dog to fly, that is how Baumia can win. Even when they rig, they will not win.
Ebusiamu akwa baba tuma GH message say subscribe page ni mi adomana so na me upload bi anso na wonsa ebetimi aka. So ya Ghana eye oman a ye wo mu edifo na edifo akasi omo Ghana yi. Bebre ho no mo komhye entofa ho. Nenso 2024 abato no ewie no ye won say asofo bi ni mu omo komhye ekapa no omo komhye anka bi. To the extent say up to now asasofo no omaye komu a omo nka enkomhye nsem emba bonte bio. Ansa na yebewura 2025 mu no edifo be na hye kom on 31st na enkomhye pi omo hye no na bit political ana be na echirem say Kennedy akompreko Agyapong and the flag bearer for the MPP. Meanwhile na ebi su say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the flag bearer for the MPP. Now ebusafo, there is one particular prophet in Ghana ma admire from afar. A friend prophet Bernard may start to follow Bernard many years in this prophet is known as a genuine prophet of God. Ninkomshe ekanyepa or kan asofo na motion koma NDC aban esaba power. Now ninkomsha oda better bontene ninkomsha ehu yepa 2024 obeshenkom na misuro no se ninkomshe yi ambemu a seni amepena asem no ene how Ghana for hu se oye a credible man of God and hwe ne omadwen otherwise na nyame chade ninkomshe yi be mu ansa na ebe crossover ba 2025 Bernard ejina ne pop so ehyenkom Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on to me benye the flag bearer for the MPP na onye the flag bearer for the MPP na on to me so enye the flag bearer of the MPP ebusia send come say we at the Bernard ministry to a danger line.
So let me shift to NPP. Yeah. So when I was in America, I had 5 dreams. And as my life is, my strength is focus. I focus on my assignment. All the insult, I had it. But I said, they should not think I will not respond. It's because I'm not here. That's all. And because some of them, I don't know their face. If I know, I will look for your number and I will talk to you first. Then we'll start the fight. So I had 5 dreams and I've shared 2 of them with you. And I want to share the 3rd dream, or the 3rd vision, that's the 3rd vision I had in America. 5 prophetic visions. In the 3rd vision I saw in America, I was from 2028. Can I have 2 of the pastors? You are 2028. You are 2026. You look like angels come. So, the third vision I had in America, I was in 2028, and I was coming to 2025, and I got to 2026. Then I came to 2025. Then when I got into 2025, I met two angels. The first angel is the angel that watches over Ghana. And the second angel is the angel that watches over the New Patriotic Party. And the angel that watches over New Patriotic Party asked me, where are you coming from? And in the vision, I told him I went to 2028 to look at what will happen, and also visited 2026. And he asked me, is it about the 2028 election? And I said yes. And I also visited 2026 to look at the NPP primaries. And he said, okay, he himself is going to 2026 to stop someone from leading the NPP. And I said, why are you going to 2026 to stop someone from leading the NPP? When I asked him the question, the angel that watches over NPP did not respond. But a third angel that was standing with me responded. Have you forgotten the vision I showed you on the 18th of September 2021? And what was the vision for 18 September 2021? Honorable, come. What was the vision for 18 September 2021? Do you know this name as a political figure?
Yes, Papa.
In which party?
The NDC.
Okay, so don't mention the name. Have you seen his name?
Yes, Papa.
Can I have a microphone here? So, have you seen his name?
Yes, Papa.
Have you seen he sent me something? Have you seen what he sent me?
Yes.
So you have seen it. Okay. Now, can you tell me on WhatsApp, what date do you see there on WhatsApp?
18th of September 2020.
Is it possible you can read the message for 18 September 2021?
Yes, Papa.
Okay. But don't mention the name of the person. You can read it. What is the time?
5:46.
5:46. Okay.
Good evening, Honorable. I've been in prayers throughout the week, and there are some visions and prophetic words of you, the leadership of the NDC, and I want to send them to you.
Okay.
18th September 2021. The elephants will be driven to the bush for a long time. There will be a first phase, a second phase, and a potential third phase. That is where the elephant must struggle to redeem itself. If they are not able to redeem the elephant in the third phase, a new regime within the NPP will arise.
Okay. Now, continue here.
18th September 2021, 3:03. God is going to hand over the leadership of the NDC into the hands.
No, read it well.
God is going to hand over the leadership of Ghana into the hands of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama again. God will give him another chance to redeem himself and redeem this nation, Ghana. He must not repeat the same mistake he made in the past.
Okay. So in 18th September 2021, this angel was now reminding me of this vision. In this vision, I have sent a message to a known politician of the NDC that if I mention his name, everyone here will know. And I have told him that the Lord said he will hand over the leadership of Ghana to the hands of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, which is the 2024 election, and that the elephant will be driven to the bush, and they will drive the elephant to the bush for a long time. 3 of you come. And that there will be a first phase, there will be a second phase, and there will be a third phase, that the elephant will be driven to the bush. So now, this angel in charge of NPP, after this angel had reminded me of the vision of 18 September 2021, was telling me the elephant is already in the bush, which is the first phase. But the elephant cannot wait to go, he cannot wait for the elephant to go to the bush for the second phase and for the third phase. That is why he is going to 2026 to stop somebody from taking the elephant to the bush. The second phase, the third phase. Then the angel in charge of Ghana said, it will never be in the interest of Ghana for one party to rule first term, second term, and a third term. Then when he was done speaking, the angel in charge of NPP stepped into 2026. Five pastors come. Five pastors come. Five pastors come. Be here. Be here. Be here. Look at me. Be around. Be around. You be around. Are you five? Be around him. You don't know around him. So, look. I need another person. Be here. Just be there. I need another person to come. Okay. And this angel in charge of NPP left me and stepped into 2026 and scattered all the people. And when he dispersed them, majority of the people went behind this man who was alone. And this man had only one person following. And I said, what is that? And the angel said, the establishment has collapsed. The establishment has collapsed. And because the establishment has collapsed, Kennedy Ohene Agyapong has won the 2026 presidential primaries. Then I asked the angel again, why? And the angel said, it is not about the man. But years ago, establishment said, listen to me, establishment said, 2 people come. 2 people come. Establishment said, when I wanted to lead our party, former president told me that he had to become president first. And when he's done becoming the president, it will be his turn. And now I am telling you, I have to go first. When I am done, Alan, you are next. And that words establishment spoke in 2007 to Alan. The angel of MPP carried that word to make sure the promise to Alan will be fulfilled. But establishment, after they became, they gang up everyone. Come close. They gang up everyone and behind this one. And they neglected this one. And the angel said, and I fought them, and I made sure that the people in MPP will not vote in the 2024 elections. Because I'm holding the promise that the establishment made to a man that after me, you are next. But the establishment did not fulfill it, but ganged up against, and they chose someone else. And so I am angry. And if I allow them, we will go for a second term in opposition. And we'll go for a third term in opposition. So I will not allow. I will not allow. I will not allow. So that is why I've broken the strength of establishment. And we have come to elect Kennedy Ohene Agyapong as the presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party. This is the word. For the first time, I said this vision. I will speak it in English. No, my kind of fancy. In the training fancy. So wait for the fancy one. Now, everyone go up except this one. 2026. Now you are 2028. Why are you joining people? 2028. The rest, go up. The rest, go up. Go up. Inti, Azar, Nyame obuam mamuhui. Time na moko America ni de. Na ame, Nyame ne home we pejam. Ama Marco 2028. Na mifi 2028 no, na mebe 2026. Na mifi 2026 number 2025. Na mreba no, na mishia oya angels ebien. Na angel first na mishia no, oya angela ono na osha Ghana ikroyi nyinara. Na second angel no, ono na osha oya NPP ebusiano. Na obisa me de eyimfa na mifi mreba. Na me catch any there Marco 2028. Na maba 2026. No bisam da me koye den na mkoshe oye nipa obe president of Ghana. Na me catch and mokwe de mokwa akoshe. Na makwa akoshe nipa obe the flag bearer of NPP. Na me bisam there into ono so orukoyin. No catch me there oruko 2026. Muso be ya obo stop obi the ombembe the leader of NPP. Na me be send there abezinti no pede or stop obi. A one me with the third engine waba. No became vision and yamizimam on the 18th of September 2021. Na vision and yame okay me 18th September 2021 no only there. Nyame ya duma 2024. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no baba ye president. No be a president, the elephants no or people kuno obokwa room for a long time. Na in room the long time no yebenya first phase, ni yenya second phase, ni yenya third phase. Na 2024 election no on na oye first phase no. Na the next election obey second phase na third phase. A one na oye angel na osha Ghana be catch me there. It will never be the interest of any nation, especially Ghana, for any party to rule for 3 consecutive times. Intermuruko na makwakwa stop obi. Mamu yanyi there, baumia when come. Mamu yanyi there, Papa Bitina. So Papa Bitina. You see all my prophets, I have never mentioned his name. Mamu yanyi Papa Bitina, wafran baumia. Ojina hade na nyipepi wojina you are not part nyipepi wojina nature now wana wojina nature no they are the establishment no as oruko na was scatter no you go here go there then where is dog okay oruko na wakwa scatter Mamuyenda wako waskata nipa ni nyina. Oh, stand here. Emma we bebe jina eyi nechi. Wask nipa we bebe jina eyi nechi. Then me said abezintina wako no wako waskata. Na wa nipa ni nyina we ku jina Agyapong nechi. No Agyapong no baba. Wa baba ye nipa obedi MPP kunano ewo 2026. Na me said abezintra no catch them there. Establishment took a decision. Now, decision you there. Abra onwini aba no many statement no. Okay, wo bejo me there. Abra only president bi onyi ko gina wo na woto aba no olusi. Na abra ono Akufo-Addo olusi no. President Akufo catch them there. Akufo-Addo oyeda me be president first. Me a president we are now Akufo-Addo ebeba. In the Akufo-Addo jina damasam no do. No catch Alan Chairman there. Or your damas me be a president first. Name if you are our Alan nebeba. Na Akufo-Addo be a president. Or be ye ya wama Alan kwanma wamba. Now all the establishment and penifuna or the bedi baumia nechi. The honor nebama waba. Na oma baumia be. Na engine catch them there. So all share. Ma walk do warrior moide warrior na. Only the MPP walk opposition first. Woboko biom. Na wasanso wako biom. But ono angel now. All share MPP do no. Ont na wo. Emma NPP. On opposition. One. Wolu see both majority in parliament and the presidential. On Ken. Ma wonko another one. Na wonko another one. Inti na wako fight establishment. And establishment has collapsed. Not will collapse. Campaign no what on soon. The establishment has collapsed. And I have won the heart. And I have won the heart of the delegate. Na misninara medashe Agyapong ninsem. Na 2026. What to one anywhere. All your delegate no, or what to aba was Agyapong. Now we be lead party no, because on now NPP on call first, what they are in. Now one call second, now one call third. Into 2026, 31st January, Baumia will not lead. Listen to me. Baumia will not lead the New Patriotic Party. He can't lead. He can't win. If they can make a dog to fly, that is how Baumia can win. Even when they rig, they will not win. Listen to me. Even when they rig, because Oyema ontu onya no be enimguase on 31st January 2026. Tell me, my name is Bernard. Masha nkomro, Masha ewo brofum, na matraya Masha ewo fantim. Minim na mewie yi no, first time mejina mabo baumia ni din. I have always concentrated on what God has revealed to me, Agyapong. Messi, Baumia cannot become the flag bearer of NPP on the 31st of January 20. The strength of every prophetic word is in the source. The strength is on the 31st of January 2026. Nyame Adoma, 31st December, I'll be here. I'll bring you. Have you seen a wounded lion before? That is how the angel of NPP, Nenyuaber, na obi biara obo try to stop the angel of NPP. The angel of MPP on your bet no Nangasa Kasa. The angel of MPP. Nangasa bet no in Pokro no Yanakasa. Inti prophetic announcement. By many campaign what soon. Agyapong has been crowned as the flag bearer, the presidential candidate of the New Patriotic Party on the 31st of January 2026. Go home and sleep.